Old Souls, Modern Luxury, How Ancient Wood Built This Bali Estate. There is an invisible quality in architecture that money alone cannot replicate. You can purchase pristine marble, custom Italian leather, and the newest engineered composite floors. But you cannot fast-forward time. You cannot artificially manufacture a century of character. In high-end tropical architecture, true luxury is shifting away from the sterile and towards the historic. Modern estate owners are seeking out what designers call old souls. Timber harvested over 100 years ago, carrying the weathering of generations, the oils of time, and the marks of ancient artisan hands. When this ancient wood is woven into modern architectural frameworks, an extraordinary dialogue occurs. Steel, glass, and microcement provide the modern structure, but the ancient timber provides the soul. Welcome to a masterclass in how historic wood built one of Bali's most breathtaking modern estates. Segment 2: Sourcing and the Story of Salvaged Timber. Every piece of timber in this estate has a former life. The heavy ironwood support posts once served as ocean piers and bridge pilings in Kalimantan, naturally cured by decades of saltwater exposure. The rich golden-red teakwood lining the walls and ceilings was salvaged from dismantled rural Javanese granaries and historic estate homes. Unlike farm-raised modern plantation wood, this old-growth timber grew slowly in wild forests, resulting in an immensely dense ring structure that is naturally immune to termites and rot. Artisans do not attempt to hide the wood's history. The bolt holes, iron stains, and natural sun-bleached grooves are left intact. They are not viewed as defects but as badges of honor, proof that the material lived a full life before entering its second act. Segment 3: Architectural Framing and Cantilevered Luxury. The estate's architecture centers on a dramatic juxtaposition: the rustic weight of ancient timber floating effortlessly inside a glass and steel structure. Massive 14-inch salvaged ironwood columns support cantilevered living spaces that extend dramatically over the tropical jungle valley. Instead of solid masonry walls, floor-to-ceiling glass wraps around these massive wooden pillars, framing them as monumental living sculptures. As you walk through the primary residence, The warmth of the ancient teak ceiling offsets the cool expanses of polished concrete floor. The air inside smells faintly of natural cedar and old resin, a subtle organic perfume that no artificial room fragrance can ever duplicate. Segment 4. Interior Curation, Honoring the Old Soul. Furnishing a space built with ancient timber requires extreme restraint. To introduce heavily patterned fabrics or glossy furniture would create an aggressive visual clash. The interior layout favors low-profile furniture upholstered in textured oatmeal, charcoal, and warm taupe linens. A single 16-foot dining table, carved from a single slab of fallen ironwood, serves as the anchor for the open-plan dining room. Lighting is kept warm and atmospheric, hidden along floor channels and ceiling recesses to wash softly against the textured wood walls. Brushed bronze metal hardware and matte black stone sinks provide subtle contemporary accents, allowing the raw beauty of the ancient timber to remain the undisputed protagonist of every room. Segment 5. The Outdoor Living Pavilion and Infinity Horizon. Stepping outside, the transition between interior and exterior living vanishes completely. The reclaimed ironwood decking extends continuously from the main living room to the edge of an emerald green infinity pool. Ironwood is one of the few natural woods on Earth that grows stronger and more slip-resistant when wet, making it the ideal material for tropical pool surrounds. Over time, outdoor ironwood oxidizes under the sun, developing a silvery gray patina that blends seamlessly into the surrounding jungle canopy. A sunken lounge, lined with weather-resistant linen cushions, surrounds a central basalt stone fire pit. Here, as dusk falls, the warm glow of the fire catches the silver grain of the deck, creating an incredible space for evening reflection and quiet gatherings. Segment 6. An investment in timelessness. In an era of disposable culture and fast fashion architecture, building with ancient wood is a statement of permanence. It is a philosophy that values heritage over novelty and character over perfection. From a real estate valuation perspective, estates built with verified reclaimed old-growth timber sit in an elite asset class. Because old-growth forests are protected worldwide, salvaged timber is a finite, increasingly scarce resource. These homes do not merely hold value, they appreciate as living pieces of architectural history. As twilight settles over the Bali Valley, the estate glows warmly from within, its ancient wooden frame standing strong against the jungle night. It is a home with an old soul, built for a modern life, a sanctuary crafted to stand for another 100 years. Thank you for joining us on this tour of historic luxury. If you believe in architecture with a soul, please subscribe, like this video, and share your favorite design feature in the comments below. Until next time, live with beauty, history, and intention.